Hey everyone, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel MaddCrafty. Today is day 18 of 25 days of holiday crafts and I am showing you how to turn a Bath & Body Works candle into an Epsom Salt, beautiful, dreamy, snowflakey, crystallized candle holder. I'm going to show you with this smaller candle because it's almost finished. You're gonna take a sharp knife and make some cuts in the wax, but do it very gently. You only need about 2 or 3 slits, and then you'll notice that the chunks kind of start to come up and you can just pull them out with your fingers. Next, take your thumb and kind of push that little metal wick thing away. Sometimes it's harder than others. I've had to use soap before to get it out. Now I'm taking some alcohol and a cotton pad and kind of cleaning the inside of my glass. Sometimes there's little wax residue left over or any kind of dirt. The alcohol will get it out great. When you're done cleaning it, go ahead and rinse it off with hot water. Okay, next up I'm taking a plastic cup and I am mixing together some white glitter and some Epsom salt. Now I have my Mod Podge and a foam brush and I am taking my cleaned out candle jar and just putting one layer around the whole cup. Now take your Epsom salt and your glitter mixture and evenly and generously pour it over the whole jar. Okay, we're not done because as you can see there's still some fallout, so we need to seal this up. I'm going to seal this with UV resistant clear spray, but I'm going to make sure that I do it outside because you should never use this inside. I'm giving my project a really generous coating. You do not have to use the same one I did. Any sealer will work. You just want to make sure that the salt isn't falling out all over the table. Sprays like these usually have a very harsh smell, so I am letting it sit outside for 4 hours before I bring it indoors. I used tea lights for 2 of them, and the one in the back has an artificial flame in it. And if you want to make a kid-friendly lantern, I suggest using a plastic jar, wrapping it around with washi tape or cute wrapping paper, and then putting a fake flame in that.